So we just were with Dario, our friend from the ship.
Our sensible friend.
Our sensible friend. And he was like, yeah, just jump in the car with my mate. He'll take you into Brisbane town. So we get in the car. Absolute nutter.
Oh, shit.
Back on Wednesday. I'm really slow to warm. Like, to win over, it's really hard to win me over. I'm really nice and stuff, but to win me over takes like time. I won't pause the drive. This is rabbit dog. Look at that. Don't know if I'm being wild. I don't know where it is. Oh my God,
so then he offers us to go, and then he doesn't even take us to Brisbane. He takes us like to his house.
We want to go to the centre to do some shopping. We want to see the centre.
Like this place here. But he takes us to his house, which is 30 minutes away from the centre. But in the journey, he was asking us if we want to go to his pool in his house and go swimming with him and smoke weed. And I wish we'd said yes, don't you?
I don't know about that. We also thought we were going to die on the journey. Right?
We did think we were going to die because he drove like a lunatic.
Yeah, cutting corners like mad.
Yeah. So here we are, we finally got to Brisbane in 2 hours to sort it out. So bye! Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chime and jingle bell time.
Go on then.
In the frosty air, what a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Baby, see you when you fall asleep. Never to touch her, never to keep her. You love her too much and you dive too deep. Oh, you only need a light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let it go. Will you let her go? Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let it go.
Brain freeze.
Oh my God!
One more month.
Oh no! Oh no!
'cause I couldn't dance. You didn't even want me around. But now I'm back to let you know I can really shake them down.
Oh, wow. Wow, how the table has
Merry Christmas! ¡Feliz Navidad!
Pasito a pasito, suave suavecito, nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Despacito, si no estás conmigo.
Way everybody done it this time.
Yeah, just.
Okay guys, everybody go out because next time we cannot do any party like this.
Okay.
Thanks for a good time!
Hey, but 24 more warm.
I must be sweating my makeup off bad right now. Is it everywhere? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Oh my god, make it. Right. Feliz Navidad! I don't know why you're coming. Well, I'm going to bed. We're going to bed.
I lost the person who was going for a Kevin party.
Oh, back up. They're all going on, I think. Feliz Navidad!
Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It is the season of love and understanding. So Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
A Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I'm just joking, I'm just joking.
You can't go wrong.
Oh my god. Yeah, he was like, because I don't have one, I never had one.
Okay. Making sure
Testing.
it works.
Check.
Shut up
Is it too late now to say it's in my pictures?
Oh, can't believe you have to bleep those words out, Holly.
Well, I'm gonna have COVID.
Yay! Nice!
Happy